If you've ever moved into a new place or just wish your space didn't look like a tangled mess of cords and boxes, a good label maker can actually make your life easier. This is the Brother entry-level industrial handheld labeling toolkit. It's a simple, no-frills way to create up to 12mm labels for everything from storage bins to cables to shelves. This one is super straightforward. The buttons are intuitive and you can quickly crank out clean, easy to read labels without a lot of setup. It's handheld and portable, so you don't need software or apps, and the labels are durable enough for everyday use around the house, office, or workshop. Whether you're organizing your garage, kitchen, kid stuff, or office files, this thing helps make everything look neat and intentional instead of just slapped together. So if you want a simple labeling solution that doesn't make you pull out your phone or computer, this entry-level Brother is a solid pick. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.